Alright, so most people already know ChatGPT, some people know Gemini, and maybe they already tried Perplexity. But almost no one is talking about Google AI Studio. And that is exactly why this is such a powerful secret weapon. And right now, people are quietly using this tool to start real online businesses every single day. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how powerful Google AI Studio is, and also show you guys some real ways you could potentially make money online with this tool. Here is a quick disclaimer: this video is only for information and education purpose. There is no guarantee that after doing this you will immediately start making money. It does not happen overnight. I'm basically showing you guys what these AI tools are capable and how other people are also using it to build real online businesses. Now, with that being said, please take a second to leave a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos just like this. Now, if you haven't heard about Google AI before, it is basically Google entire AI toolkit in one place. Now, anything you can do inside Gemini, you can also do it inside Google AI Studio. You can get access to text models, image generations, audio tools, app builders, and even website builders. You can do all of this in Google AI Studio. And the craziest part is that most of these features are completely free. You are not paying to use them. Now, a lot of people assume this tool is only for developers, but that is not true. In fact, anyone can use Google AI Studio. All you need to do is to go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account and you are in. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how you can potentially use this tool to start a real online business. So inside Google AI Studio, there is a section called Build. This actually lets you create real AI powered apps just by describing what you want. For example, let's say I want to build a retirement planning app. All I have to do is to describe what the app does, what input it takes, and what result it should give. So once I describe exactly what I want to build, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Build, and in just a couple of minutes, Google AI Studio generates the entire app. It creates the name of the app, the logo, the full user interface, and this is not just mockup, the app actually works. Now from here you can download it or build custom versions for clients. Alright, so the second way to make money is by building websites. Now using the same build section, you just describe the website you want. For example, I'm going to type in this prompt: a clean modern website for a photographer to showcase their work. So you can see Google AI Studio plans everything and generate the entire site for me. You can see the result is a responsive, professional website that looks great on mobile devices. Now, this is perfect for freelancing, or you can simply sell this website on marketplaces. A lot of businesses still have outdated websites, and this AI tool here can actually help you fix this very fast, and you get paid by these businesses for helping them out. Alright, so the next feature in Google AI Studio is really impressive. Google AI Studio has high quality text-to-speech with Gemini. You simply write your script on the left, choose your voice on the right, and the cool thing is that you are not limited to just one speaker. You can actually create conversations between two AI voices. This is actually perfect for podcasts, for ads, voiceover, and even faceless YouTube channels. Now, once you generate the audio and you like the result, you just download the audio and use it anywhere. People are using this to create ads for local businesses, sleep stories, affirmations, and more. Now let's talk about image generation. This is where most people get it confused. They click on Nano Banana Pro and they see that it requires payment and then they quit. Now here is the trick. All you need to do is to go ahead and change the model to regular Nano Banana version. And now you can see image generation works freely. You can create thumbnails, you can edit photos, design visuals, and refine images just by prompting and telling the AI exactly what you want. People pay real money for these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. And finally, Google AI gives you access to Gemini's most advanced models. Inside the chat section, you can switch models, set custom system instructions, and control things like creativity and reasoning. This is actually perfect for ghostwriting, content creation, and client work. It actually gives you way more control than regular AI chatbots. So these are 5 powerful ways people are using Google AI Studio to make money online in 2026. From app creation, websites to audio and image generation. Now, just like I said earlier, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It can take some time before you start seeing real results, but it's actually a good thing to know what AI can actually do for you. So thanks for watching. If you do get some value out of this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.